In this video, I'm going to create a schema for our database that we'll use inside this project. So I'm going to move to inside models folder, and here I have to create files for our schema. First file I'm going to create user.js, and second file for our subscriber. So I'm going to create subscriber.js. So just move to user.js. First of all, I need mongoose. So I'm going to use const mongoose, and is equal to require. Inside it, I have to pass reference of mongoose here. Now I have to use const user schema, and it's equal to new mongoose dot schema, and inside it I have to write the document which I need in my collection. So here first of all I'm going to use name, and its type should be of string, and required true, like for user schema basically for admin. So basically name should be a required field. And next document I'm going to use called email, and email should have same property as name, like it has type of string. Also required field should be true as well, and it has one more additional field, like it should be unique, like two user can't have same email address. Next one I'm going to use the password, and inside password I'm gonna just write type and give it type of a string. Also it should be required as well. Next thing, I'm gonna use admin. Like it's up to you whether you want to save the key for user, like whether he is admin or not. Basically user schema is especially for admin. For subscriber we have different schema, so it's up to you. You can keep this document or not. And last document I'm gonna use date, and its type should be date, and I'm gonna use it default value, so called default is date dot now. So when we're gonna create user, it automatically saved the current date and time in our database. So just module dot export, and it should equal to user, and is equal to mongoose dot models, mongoose.model, and inside it I have to pass the name. So here I'm going to use user, and then have to pass user schema reference here. Save this. Now we had done with the user schema, and just move to subscriber. So same as user, I need mongoose in subscriber as well to create our schema. So I'm going to use here const mongoose is equal to require, and inside it I have to pass mongoose. Next thing I'm going to use const subscriber schema is equal to mongoose new mongoose dot schema, and inside it I have to pass the first name, like this application basically for local subscriber, and uh, local subscriber almost they haven't emailed, so we had to fill their detail, like their first name, last name, and father name. That should be unique in this unique in the area. So first name, and same I just copy this and paste it 2 times. That will work for last name and father name as well. So inside last name, and just change it to the father name. So we got first name, last name, and father name. And next field, I'm gonna create a subscription, like whether subscription status is true or false. So this should have a type of boolean, like if user has subscription, means it's his service is active. But and next thing I'm gonna use date, and same as user, I'm gonna give it type of date, and also I'm gonna give the default value of the present date at at the date uh, on which user created. Next field, I'm going to use payment, and it should be an array, like every month user have to pay something for his subscription. So it should have the month and year. This should be number. Next thing, it has a next field called status, and it should be boolean, like whether user has paid has done the payment or not. Now I need to export this one as well. So module.export is equal to subscriber, and it's equal to mongoose.model, and I have to keep the name here, so I'm going to use here subscriber in lowercase. And next thing, I have to pass our subscriber schema reference here. Save this one. I forgot to write assignment operator here, so please make it correct. Now save this one, and we had done with our schema that we'll use in our database.